I'm still here with Alex in the new L-shape annex, and we've got the bathroom as well, which you did intimate that it's the only bathroom we do.
It's the only bathroom we do. So this is the bathroom. It can be handed, so it could be over this side of the building or that side of the building,
right?
Depending where the orientation of your garden. So it's this studio on that hand, but it's always in the corner of this section.
Okay, and it's in the corner. That's where the water supply and the groundworks comes to.
Plumbing is difficult. Plumbing is a difficult trade because you're always trying to fight gravity, for example, with the waste, because you want the water to flow away. You can't water won't flow up a hill, so I can't have a waste pipe down that end of it and then a waste pipe up here and expect how would I get my fall? So we've got to bring them close together. So it's
that's one reason why you've got the kitchen, the sink right next to the
sink is there. And then you've got waste going out your toilet, waste going out your sink, waste going out your shower, and there is a waste pipe coming out your boiler, which is just an overflow. So all of them are pre-done in the workshop before we get to you. All them pipes, we know where they go, we know where they're going to be sited. So we're there in the mud, in the rain, doing your groundworks, doing your drainage. We haven't got a problem. We know where everything is. Everything efficient.
Nobody's scratching their head.
No. So with this bathroom, it's tried, it's tested. There's hardly any mastic used. There's a bit of mastic used, but mastic is usually there to fill gaps. Well, this is made precisely in our workshop. There are no big gaps. So it's nice and tidy and neat finish. All the pipe work's all concealed. It's all nice, tidy, so easy to keep clean. It's got a vinyl floor, so that's a waterproof non-slip floor.
So if somebody did want to do their own bathroom, what would they do?
Probably end up in a lunatic asylum. No, I just wouldn't. You'd have to supply them an empty studio,
right,
and let them do it. It's no coincidence that there's no big bathroom companies out there. There's people supplying bathroom materials. You name me an Anglia type windows in the bathroom industry, there isn't one, because it's so difficult to do plumbing.
There's so many variations.
Yeah, there's a huge amount of variations. You only have to be 10 mil out on something, and that pipe's under pressure and it'll come loose or it doesn't reach. It is a complicated trade. It's a complicated industry to get it all perfect.
Yeah. So
if you wanted to do your own bathroom, you would be buying an empty studio. It'd be pointless to this bathroom is all the plumbing is done before the walls go up. All the plumbing is done before. It isn't build a room and then add the bathroom. It's build the bathroom and then build the room around it. That's what makes it. That's why there's no junctions in it.
Because it's very compact as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
I mean, how big is this? How big is it?
It's 1160 in millimetres. 1100. No, sorry, 1100. So it's 1160 on the outside to there. So inside we're 1100. We've got a shower tray that's 1 metre by 760. But all the pipework, you only have to look how neat that is. That's going to be a joy to keep clean because it's going to be easy. Got no junctions,
Yeah.
Whereas you do a bathroom and then you end up with a corner or something missing, and you're masticing it, trying to stop water going down it.
Mastic just to collect dirt, doesn't it, and mould and
it does a job because it stops water going down, but its job is to stop water penetration. If you're starting to use it all over the bathroom, you're filling gaps with it because you didn't cut your stuff right. So we try to avoid that, and we use a bit of caulk around here where it's painted to make it look neat and tidy, but there's just a little bit of mastic used in there. Because remember, one of the things is we might want to take this away for you.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah, because it's all portable, isn't it?
Yeah, so we could take this bathroom down.
So if somebody built their own bathroom, there's no way you'd better do that.
You just wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
But this bathroom was designed to be put back on a pallet. So if circumstances change, take it away.
Yeah.
That's the thing. And we have taken them away.
Yeah.
I've taken these bathrooms apart and I've put them in.
That's a big aspect, isn't it?
Well, it was a big aspect in the design of it.
Yeah. So we've got the shower there, then just a little cupboard.
Yeah,
little storage cupboard
with
a mirror.
Cupboard. We've got a ventilation, so we've got a fan. We've got a small heater.
Okay, and you just switch that on and off yourself?
Yeah. It's just,
All right. Okay.
you know, on a winter's morning, you can come in
And the main light switch is on a pull cord.
yes.
Okay. And that's the boiler cupboard. I don't suppose people would actually would they switch this on and off here?
No, you just keep it turned on. It's very efficient at keeping the water warm. I mean, you wouldn't have it on if you
Got away for a couple of weeks.
And it takes about 15-20 minutes for it to heat the water up to the ability to have a shower or wash your hands. So you just turn the switch.
And how long a shower would that give you, roughly?
8 to 9 minutes
Right.
shower. And then if there was a queue of people queuing, you just have to wait a little bit of time for it to heat back up.
Yeah.
And generally, by the time that person's got dried and got out, and another person's gone in.
Yeah.
But it's not a multi-use shower.
It's not a multi-use building.
No, it's designed for one, possibly two people.
Yeah.
You start putting more people in, then it's not what we had in mind.
Although there was 7 of us in here the other night
on a sales meeting,
having a meeting,
and it does work.
And it was
comfortable enough.
It felt very spacious, didn't it?
Yeah, I mean, we're very pleased with it because it is small, it is compact, it does use materials very wisely. Probably the early days it's going to take 3 to 4 days to fit, but we are looking at a 3-day installation. That means
even one this big.
Even one this big.
Yeah.
Because we'll have 2 or 3 teams on it. So, we'll be looking at 3 days. We want to get in, get it done, get out.
Yeah.
And then that's to prove it's a mobile building as well.
Yeah. Okay. No, that's a big help. Little scan round the rest of it. Right. Thanks, Alex.
No worries.